Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at the UAG cover or case for the Microsoft Surface Go. Let's check it out. Now, we've been reviewing a lot of different products from UAG lately, and I have to say that when it comes to tablet protection, you can't go wrong with this. It not only does it include some military grade protection that is drop tested, but it's also lightweight, and it has a great kickstand that's going to allow you to adjust your positioning of your case. Now, keep in mind that the Surface Go already has a kickstand on the back, but this is going to give you something that's a little bit more robust where you wouldn't risk breaking yours. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with UAG, let's get a little closer look here at some of the features. You do have a case that is going to give you drop protection, something that's going to be easy to hold on to, something that is going to be lightweight and support your S Pen if you have it. It also has a grippiness to it, and then as we talked about, has the ability to support the keyboard and a lot of angles. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Alright, so now taking a closer look at the case, you do have some really great bumper protection on the sides. You have this honeycomb pattern to disperse impact, and then you have your stylus placement right here. You also have volume rocker and also power button. You could still charge, and you have all these appropriate cutouts. On the back, you have this metal kickstand. Alright, that's going to help you. And then what you have is this little bungee cord that's going to allow you to keep your keyboard closed as you put your tablet in. So pretty much this is going to protect the back of your tablet. Let's put it on. Now, if you don't have a keyboard, this little attachment remains on, right? But I've removed it because I do have a keyboard. What we'll do is slap the keyboard on, and now I've protected my front of my tablet with the keyboard, and now everything is installed nicely. So this is what it looks like. See that? See this? Charging port, USB-C, headphone jack. Everything is still there. Everything is still very responsive, and we'll pop it up. And this is what it would look like. It adds a little weight to it because it is a rugged tablet. It's actually quite heavy with the actual cover. Now the back is pretty tight. So if you notice how it looks like right here, here's your hit. You have your camera, sensors. Feels really good, and definitely feels like it won't break. All right, so let's take a look at the stand for a second. So when you open it up, at first glance, when you open it, it may look like it only has one position. But don't be afraid to pull it out. It actually clicks in and opens up. See how that works? And then it opens up. So if we look at the positions, here's your first position. Go ahead and open it up. That's position 1. That's the last position. You can go up to this position, other position. So it does give you a lot of flexibility, and it locks. There's a clicking sound that opens up. So I like that it simulates the actual screen or the native kickstand that the tablet has itself. Now, as we open this up right here, we'll go ahead and pull this to the side. I don't have a Surface Pen that I can connect in this area so you can see it, but this is what things would look like. And obviously, you know, this is probably the best position if you're going to use it like a netbook or a mini laptop. So guys, this concludes our review of the UAG Metropolis case for the Microsoft Surface Go. Make sure you subscribe by smashing that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.